Hi everyone, today I will show you how to divide a line in AutoCAD. Let's start. First, we will draw a line here. Click on line command and make the ortho on. So here I will draw a 100 mm line. Now 100 mm line is created. We want to divide it in 10 equal parts. First we have to type PT point type, enter. And here you have to select the point style. I will select this cross point style. Okay. Command here div divide, enter. Now we have to select this line, and after this enter the number of segments. I want 10, enter. You can see that the line is divided into 10 equal segments. So in this way we can divide a line in AutoCAD. If you change the point style, again type PT point style and select the point as per your desire. I select this one now. Okay, the point style is changed. Now we will divide a circle into equal parts. For that we will use a circle command here. Now specify the center point on the screen here, and I will type here D, enter for diameter, and I will give diameter 50. Zoom and extend. So same way we have to type a divide command div, enter, select the circle. Now we have to give the number of segment. Let's say I want to give segment 5, enter. The 5 segment is created. So you can give any number of segments as per your requirement. In this way we can divide a line or a circle or any geometry in AutoCAD with the help of divide command.